Namaskar. Welcome to the example number 34 for the event Marriage Prospects. In continuation of the previous video, we are going to study this example on weak destiny and unmarried it. Example 34, weak destiny and unmarried it. Now let us examine the birth chart. Now let us study in another chart, a chart of a female for weak destiny and no marriage yet. You please check that age of that girl is only 32 years. Still, she can get married, but we can see that marriage possibility is very less because of the destiny is weak. Let us study the chart now. Let us do the basic study first. Lagna is falling in Aquarius. Seventh cusp is falling in the Leo. Seventh Lord, Sun, is posted in the fourth house, conjoined with the fifth Lord and eighth Lord. Seventh Lord posted in the fourth house is not good, and conjoined with the fifth Lord is fine, but conjoined with eighth Lord is not good. It is getting afflicted. That is one point. But that is not the complete one, right? So it is indicating some weakness. Whether the seventh Lord is further afflicted by any planet by way of conjunction or aspect, conjunction we have seen, but aspect, it is not having. Any planet is aspecting. Jupiter is not aspecting and Saturn also not aspecting. Then seventh house is aspected by any planet, that is also not strongly present. So what about Venus and Mars? Both are posted in the sixth house. It is weak. And conjoined with the second Lord and 11th Lord Jupiter. But Venus and Mars conjunction is fine in general, but they are posted in the sixth house is not good. And Venus and Mars and Moon are in sign exchange. Moon in the sign of Mars, Mars in the sign of Moon. So now that Mars is 10th Lord and 3rd Lord occupying 6th house and afflicting the Venus also. So there are some afflictions are to the Karaga planet and also the 7th Lord also weakly posted. And I mean, these planets, Venus and Mars are aspected by 7th aspect Saturn. Lagna Lord and also 12th Lord aspecting from the 12th house, that is also furthermore aggravating the obstacles. So 8th house, 12th house, 4th house, 6th house are all and 10th house are all indicated by the 7th Lord and also Karaga planet. So it is indicating some obstacles as per the basic study. Now we have to check in the extended signification, we have to check the destiny. Let us check the destiny now. 7th Lord is Sun and 7th sublord is Jupiter. So 7th Lord is Sun and 7th sublord is Jupiter. So let us keep this birth chart here and let us keep these significators on the right hand side. Yes. You check the significators, which are the unfavorable key planets we can say. Ketu is good, only this one, but second planet Mercury is not good. And Venus is fine with the mixed signification. Sun is also okay. And Moon is not good. 6th Lord occupying 3rd house, but 4-8 star Lord. And Mars is 3rd Lord, 10th Lord occupying 6th house. This is also having weakness, but no favorable grouping. Rahu is having favorable along with the 8 and 10. It is not a bad, it is mixed signification. Jupiter is 2nd Lord, 11th Lord occupying 6th house, 4, 5, 7. It is also fine with some weakness. And Saturn is also Lagna Lord, 12th Lord, 12, 2, 16 and 11. It is also not bad, it is mixed one. And Mercury, 5th Lord, 8th Lord occupying 4th house on 6th sublord. 5 is supported by this Ketu, but 8, 4, and 6 getting support from the 12. So that Mercury and Ketu indirectly, Moon and Mars are the unfavorable. If Saturn also it is playing one of the ruler for this planet, this unfavorable will support to those planets also, that we have to keep it in mind. Now let us check the sun. Sun is seventh lord, having got some weakness, but this is fine. Star level is Mars. Mars is not good. Mars in the star of Saturn, 1, 12, 12, 2, 16, 11. So 3 is supported by 1 and 11, but 10, 6, 6, 12 grouping also weak. And sublord Rahu is okay, 11, 1, 5, 9, 1, 2 are good, but 8 and 12 are further supporting to this unfavorable. Unfavorable are reduced by the favorable, and favorable are getting support, and unfavorable also getting support from the 8 and 10. So this not completely unfavorable. The Rahu in the star of Sun is also fine. Now the unfavorable key planet Moon, Mars, that they are all, I mean, now Moon is not directly playing, Mars is playing role here. But Mars is in the sign of Moon only. That Moon is in sign exchange with the Mars. So that way role of Moon also coming into play for the Sun. Sun is in this star of Mars, also further influenced by the Moon. That Sun is conjoined with the Mercury. Either Mercury is our another unfavorable key planet. So Sun is conjoined with Mercury. So that way, that Sun planet also afflicted, and star level planet is already weakening the seventh lord, and further afflicted by Moon. So that way, that planet and star level are strongly indicating unfavorable. I think you are able to understand. Moreover, that Rahu is good. Rahu represents Jupiter. Rahu having some unfavorable. Rahu, I mean, representing Jupiter. That Jupiter is conjoined with the Mars and with the in the sign Moon. So that Mars is also influencing Rahu indirectly. So the role of these three unfavorable planets are ruling, are influencing the seventh lord. Okay, so then it is indicating weakness. Then Jupiter, seventh cuspal sublord and fifth sublord, this is fine. Second planet Rahu having some weakness, occupying sixth house, it is weak but not detrimental. Jupiter in the star of Mercury, Mercury strongly unfavorable. Though Ketu's presence is unfavorable, that Mercury in the star of Moon, which is another unfavorable strong key planet. So Mercury is in the star of Moon. That Mercury is, a strong unfavorable key planet. That is also strongly present, and sublord also again Mercury. So seven sublord in the star of and sub of a planet, and star lord of the star lord and star lord of the sublord, all are indicating unfavorable. This is not at all favoring for the marriage prospects because of the strong weakness. Already seventh lord afflicted, Mars, Venus afflicted, and seventh lord through the significations also not strongly present. Seventh sublord is also that way present, so it is indicating weak destiny. It is not supporting for the marriage actually. So though it is only 32 years of age, that native is running now. Let us check the Dasa period. The native is running now Mars Dasa. Mars Dasa, prior to that Moon Dasa. So Moon was running not good. Mars is running now. Mars in the star of Saturn, sublevel. It is indicating some weakness, but as we already discussed, Mars is weak and 12 level also weak, and that they are having unfavorable destiny already. So Mars also will not favor for the marriage. But you can see the same way Rahu also. They can favor for because of these 1, 5, 2, 5, 7 and 7 houses, third house connection. It can support for some relationship, love relationship, but that will not give the, favorable marriage. I think you are able to understand. So still a long year is to come for this girl. Because after Rahu, Mars, Rahu will come, then Jupiter will come. So the Jupiter is not favoring, Rahu also having some supportive, but not very strong. So destiny is weak for this native for the marriage. So I mean, it is not going to give her a happy marital life, and getting married itself is not going to be strongly indicated. Hope you have understood. We will study the next example in the next video. Thank you.